gonna burn this up trying to keep cutting with this. Blade, need new blade.
I think we clear that. We're good.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, it's your move. You know, what you want us to do, Bubba.
Yeah. Move out.
Watch that.
A big diesel, if he'd hooked up to that tree.
He took it.
I hate leaving these two, I don't want to leave these two ends sticking out though.
Okay.
What?
I don't want to leave these two ends sticking out.
We're on video.
Huh?
We're on video. Yeah, and we're gonna post it on YouTube.
Want me to take a video of you?
No.
Why not?
Because.
All we gotta do is clear this out and that's it.
Yeah.
Ain't got a big picture perfect, even though you take a picture.
Huh. Right.
Let me pull this log.
Alright.
Everybody get out of the way.
About to pull log.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not in no harm. Ready?
And I want you back up, baby.
Okay.
Go for it, got it.
Yeah.
That's good.
No, Mama.
Yes, Anna.
We have to clear it.
No, we don't. We don't. Well, y'all get too tired of making work.
That's all we have to do here. Hurricane Ike. Did the big mess.
No, that's not dumbass.
Clear the passage. About to pull another one. I'll show you a picture when it's all done.